okay, so let's just go ahead and hop on into this video. Alright, so I already have leave-in conditioner in my hair, and I just tried this new leave-in right here by this brand called Kiss Colors and Care. They came out with like a new natural hair care line, and they actually put me on their PR list, so they sent me some products, so shout out to y'all. But yes, I use this, and I did like a full review on this brand, so I will leave that video down below or in like the little card for you guys to click on if y'all want to check that out. But yes, I already put that in my hair, so this is what my hair is looking like with just the leave-in. So for my, you know, main product, I'm gonna go in with the Mielle Twisting Souffle. So I did try to use this as a wash and go, which probably wasn't the best idea. So I'm like, let me, you know, actually use it for what it's meant for, which is like twists and braids and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this today. Y'all already know this smells so freaking good. Like, oh. They need to make this in a scent that I can like put on, because this just smells so good, y'all. But yes, this is what it looks like. It's pretty thick, like ain't nothing coming out. But yeah, so let's just get on into this twist out. I don't want it to be like too many twists in my head. I just want to, you know, do a pretty decent amount, but not like, you know, too small, but not like no chunky twist. But yeah, I haven't did a regular twist out on my head since like my first YouTube tutorial. I think that was like my first tutorial, was like a twist out. I think that was it. I don't know, but it's down there somewhere, and I literally have not did a twist out since then. So, but yes, I will leave that video as well to the first twist out I did, because my hair turned out fine. I think I had used like the Care products, and my hair definitely turned out real fine. But yeah, I'm just taking my Demon brush and detangling, because I didn't do that when I put the leave-in. So yeah, your girl had a grunt. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Okay, okay. But yes, okay, so let's go in with this. So y'all, this is pretty thick, so I'm not gonna take too much, and I'm not really gonna be spraying my hair because I don't want this to take too long to dry, because I will be sitting under the dryer for this to dry, because I do have somewhere to go tomorrow. So I don't, you know, I don't want it to take all day to dry, so I'm gonna just go ahead and let it air dry. I mean, sit under the dryer. So let's just go ahead and twist this on up. I might need to spray a little bit of water. Just a tad. I don't even think it hit it. I don't think this is too, no, this looks small. But yeah, that's pretty much all I'm about to do, is just twist up my hair. I just hope it don't take 10 years to do, because when I did my mini twist, it took me like 2 hours. I was like, girl, don't I got time to be waiting that long for some twists? But I did keep that style up for like a week, and then I took it out, and my takedown was pretty fast, so you know, it was worth it. So I really hope this turns out cute. But yes, I'm making sure I keep it real smooth, so I won't have no frizz. So that is how this twist is looking. Nice and moisturized. Okay, girl. Okay, I see you. I see you. Alright, so let's just move it on. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna, like, you know, play some little tunes or whatever and do it like that. Yeah, like I don't want to make this. Should I make this one twist? Alright, y'all, so I finally got all my twists done. And I said I wasn't going to do no small ones, but I end up doing some small ones around the front, just so, you know, they could be a little bit more defined and curls popping, you know. So, yeah. But I don't have that many twists in my head. My hair is, like, pretty, I won't say, my hair's not thin, but it's not really thick, so, you know, it doesn't look like it's, like, you know, a lot. But what I'm going to do now is go sit up under the dryer. Hopefully it doesn't take that long. And it took me like an hour and 15 minutes to do this. I started at 1 and it is 2:15. So yeah, I'm about to go sit up under the dryer and I will be back once this is dry. Okay, y'all, so don't hate me, but it's been like 3 days since I did these twists. And the reason why I didn't take them out like right after, well, so I sat up under the dryer for like a long time and I was getting impatient. So I was like, you know, I'm gonna just, you know, take them down tomorrow and, you know, do it that way. Cause I don't know, I just didn't feel like waiting and I didn't want to take them down and it was still wet, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, I'm gonna just take them down tomorrow. So tomorrow came and something was going on my face. Like, y'all, my eyes was like swollen. And I'm like, what's going on? Like, I can't be on camera looking like this. So, you know, it went down, you know, the rest of the day. But then, like, the next day I woke up, it was swollen again. So I'm like, I don't know what's going on with my face. So I'm like, I'm going to have to do the video when my face look good because I look a hot mess. So my eyes didn't swell up today. So I'm like, okay, I think I can put some makeup on and, you know, come on camera. So I'm here. So yeah, don't get mad at me if this twist out ain't the best, but you know, I've been like putting oil and stuff on my scalp and, you know, trying to keep it moisturized a little bit. But yeah, we definitely got some frizz going on. But hey, we about to see, you know, hopefully it's still cute or whatever. We're gonna see. So I'm gonna put some of these up. So I'm gonna take some of my oil. Y'all can take any oil y'all want. And I'm going to go ahead and put that all over my hands so these twists can be nice and juicy when I take them down. Let me just go ahead and rub it on some of them. Alright, so pretty much I'm just going to undo them. Y'all, this is frizzy. Oh my gosh. But like I said, I really don't mind frizz because, you know, it ain't got to be put together 24/7. You know, it can still be a little frizzy and still cute. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take these down. My hair is good and moisturized. I will tell y'all that. This combination I use like did good, and then like this leave-in I use, it is like the smell is like overpowering. Like I can't even smell the Mielle, and you know I love that smell, but this smell, it's like that's all I smell, and it smells really, really good. So that's a good thing. But yeah, these twists, they still look good even though they're a little frizzy. But I should put on a different shirt so y'all can see how they look. But that's how they looking. They look good though. Y'all see that? Cute girl. Cute girl. That's what me and my mama always say. We be like, cute girl. Yeah, it's a little frizzy, but you know, it's still gonna be cute. Okay, y'all, so this is all my twist out. I wouldn't change my shirt because I'm like, I feel like I can't even see what my hair really looks like. So, and then like, I don't know why, but like, I be looking orange on this camera. I think it's like my settings, but whatever, I don't care. But this is how it's looking. I haven't fluffed it out or nothing like that. So it's looking pretty good. Let me show y'all how it looks in the back. I probably got a line, but you know, y'all know how that is. But yeah, this is how it looks in the back. Cute or whatever. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and like keep my part in the middle, because usually I would like I did it to where like if I want to put it on the side, like I can put it on the side. But I'm like, I think I want to keep it in the middle. But let me see. Yeah, I did like a little side part right here, so I can like I don't know, y'all. I'm like hooked to my side part now. It's like I'm so used to it now. What y'all, but here I go again talking about some what y'all think. Like y'all can tell me, but I mean y'all can still tell me what y'all think. Like y'all like the side, or do y'all like the middle? I'm gonna put it in the middle. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just put it in the middle, but I'm definitely gonna pick this out because we need some volume going. But for it to be like some days old, it looks pretty good to me. I mean, you know, it's a little frizzy, but it's still cute. So I'm finna pick it out a little bit just to give it some volume. And I like when I do like twist outs because it's so much easier to like get into your roots, so you can pick it out. Like you can really like feel your scalp. You know, like sometimes when you got that wash and go, it still be like a little thick up in there, but you know, these twist outs, you can get to them roots real good. So, but yeah, this cute. It's real cute. And then like my hair is like stretched, so it's like it's longer. Like look at what that did already. Yeah, I be feeling myself. But y'all know we all should feel ourselves all the time. Make sure I get this back because we don't need no part down the middle. I'm working with this little bitty mirror. Twist out. Hey girl. What's up? Okay, I'm gonna like slick these edges down real quick. Real quick. Y'all already know I'm using my edge booster. My fave. My favorite. This actually turned out cute. I need to do twist outs more often. Alright y'all, so that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of this twist out, if you guys will be trying it. But it looks really good. I really like my results, even though I waited a few days for it to, you know, be ready. But yes, I really like how my hair turns out. And yeah, that's it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're new. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. But yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video.